This is a brief explanation of the identifying evidence practice and also a quick reminder on what makes good evidence and what doesn't. Evidence that comes directly from the text helps enhance your claims about the text. If you want to claim that a character is an angry old man, it would help if you could point to a time in the text where he threw a bottle at someone or a wall. If you want to claim that a text shows how love is bad for your mental state, it would help to show an example from the text where a man tears out his own hair because of how frustrated he is with his love. Evidence should always be in support of your main idea. One question students often ask is, would this evidence work? The answer is, it depends on how you explain it. If you're able to explain how this evidence supports your main idea claim, then it's great, because you're making that connection. But if you can't clearly explain how the evidence supports your main idea, then it really kind of defeats the purpose. So you always want to focus on how you're explaining the evidence. That is the key. Your directions for this assignment are to highlight the piece of evidence in each of the groups that would not support the main idea listed. So you're going to highlight it, whichever one you think does not support it, and then underneath right here, you're going to explain why that evidence would not work for this main idea. If we do not know how to highlight, you can click and then drag, and whatever is highlighted here, you go up to your toolbar and you will go to it looks like a marker, and it says highlight color. Click on it. You can pick whatever color you want, but yellow often works, something lighter. And then you click away, and that is highlighted. If you want to change your answer, you click and hold your mouse down and run it over the area again. Then you click up here again on that same button and go back to none, and then your highlighting is removed. So that is how we're doing that. You're highlighting what piece of evidence does not support the main idea very well, and then explaining why. Once you get to these bottom two, you are given a small paragraph, and then you are going to identify evidence from that paragraph down here that supports these main ideas. So for example, a main idea from this paragraph is addicted shoppers often exhibit signs of their addiction if we look for them. So something that might be a good idea to look for in here that you could put as your examples here are signs of addiction that the paragraph talks about. That would be supporting the main idea that there are signs if we look for them. If you have any questions, email your teacher. Otherwise, good luck.